HARTLER 27, Mr. Hurdler 27 Gaming. Yeah!
Hey guys, this is your man boy hartler 27 here. I don't want to take too much out of your time, but I want to let you guys know I'm an Epic Games supporter creator code man. And yeah, my Epic supporter creator code is HARTLER27. Yeah, so if you guys want to support me and do all that, the Epic Games Store link is in the description. As always, don't forget to hit the share button and check out our new merch on our store. And I hope you guys enjoy. Later and goodbye. Hey guys, this is your mad boy hartler 27 here once again, and I want to let you guys know I just got the PlayStation 5, and we'll be doing a mask unboxing. What is a mask unboxing? It's me wearing a mask unboxing something. Alright? It's me unboxing something. Something very special. Come on. Get out of the way. PlayStation 5. Yeah. It is a heavy box. I'm not gonna lie. It is a heavy box. Okay. Right. A cord. There's a cord. Manuals. Probably won't read. Controller. We'll use that. A stand. I already have one. HDMI. Another cord. And a big... Yeah, if I can get this off the PlayStation. If I can get it out of the box. One piece. Come on. Hey, Sean. Wow. This is very sleek. It's clean. It's smooth. Personally, I don't like a PlayStation, but what do you expect? Alright. Now, how do I plug this into my stand? Alright, I will be showing you how to set it up. Hey, so, hi. Now, I'm going to be adding my stand onto it. I've already got the stand, and I already got it in the package. So, I just screwed this on. Alright. Keep screwing until it gets tight. Oh, actually. Alright, come on. You almost there? Come on. Normally you would use a flathead screwdriver, but I do not have a flathead screwdriver in my hand. And that's how you add the stand. If you buy whatever stand this is. I have the box. put that stand right here. This stand. This stand. Alright. Now I'll be setting it up. First, you're gonna need the good old power cord. Because power, you need power. Alright. If I can untangle this thing. Now. Plug that there. Come on. Nope. Plug that there. And you plug these things. Come on, Mike. Over here. You plug it in the back. At the bottom. If I could fit it in. There we go. And now, it's time for the magic. The good old HDMI. Now you, if I could untie this. I should have had this untied. Sorry, my bad. They had two knots. Okay, come on. Oh, come on. Sorry, making a long enough video as it yaws. Okay, now, which I don't think it matters. Which HDMI I plug in. Here we go. Come on. Put that into my HDMI splitter. That is in. That's a HDMI splitter. Okay. Now we plug this into the back of my thing. And now, well, we turn it on. On. It's on. Blue light. Work, please. Whoa. Whoa. Something's happening. Whoa. Ooh, shiny. Well, alright. We'll take it from here.
Console with
Well,
the USB
now,
cable and press
all
the
we
PS
do
button.
is now plug in the controller.
Conecta tu control a la consola con un cable USB. Select your language. To go back, press the circle button. On PS5. Continue with the screen reader turned on. Continue. No. Turn off.
Turn off. I'll be right back to do my internet stuff. Okay, now I'm back. Sorry, I had to put in my internet. It's dull. Let's put in GT. Maybe not. Let's put this Horizon Forbidden West. Actually, no. You know what? Let's change it. Okay. Let's see. Agree. Continue. Doing some necessary updates. This has a terabyte in space. Wow. QR code. I will do that QR code. I already have a PlayStation. Where's my QR code scanner? There we go. There we go. Sign into my account. Yeah. Account. Sign in. Restarting. Alright. There. That's not the email I wanted. Okay. Having my console save. Turn back on. After installing is completed. Installing is completed, my boy. Now I won't be able to play GTA just yet, but I will have it downloaded. And then when I do am able to play GTA, I will. Because I definitely gonna fuck with my friends in low places. Yeah, sit on down. Ooh, it is almost ready. PlayStation's a lot bigger than it. But this is a big badunkadunk. Updating my controller. He's almost there. 80, 80, 90, 95, 97, 100. Well, I'll be signing in now, and it should pretty much be ready. Well, after doing my signing in, social and open. Your gaming history, broadcast games, trophies, are viewable. Yeah, just apply. Build the best PlayStations to improve. Choose how you want to prevent sharing. This is a blah blah blah. These different types also. It's only data that is necessary. Data, let's collect these different types of data. Alright. Secure your account. Well, I will be doing my phone number. Don't want you guys to see it. You're not going to see my phone number. Okay? Well. Alright. Save your PlayStation. I don't have a PlayStation. I'll do that later. Don't have a PlayStation 4. And welcome to PlayStation 5. And now it's all set up. Yay! So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video as much as I love making it. And I love making videos for you guys. Don't forget to hit the share button, eat your face like a boss. And I'll see you the next time. This is my boy hartler27 saying Osvadonia. It means goodbye, later, and goodbye, you effing wankers. I hope you guys enjoyed that. As always, don't forget to hit the share button. I really had fun with my friends. If you want to have more videos like this, hit that share button in the face like a boss. And I'll see you next time. This is my boy hartler27 saying Osvadonia. It means goodbye, later, and goodbye, you effing wankers.